Good morning students. Topic for this session is creating chart. Now for creating a chart we need an input. So it is nothing but a table. So currently I am taking an example of product sales details. See, the first step for creating a chart is you should select the given input. So I have selected the input. Now the second step is you should click on insert tab, and in insert tab you should go to charts group. See, follow my mouse. So this is chart groups, and charts group will display the different types of charts available for you. So as in our book we are having column chart, line chart, pie chart and bar chart. We are going to learn how to create these four different charts. Okay, now first I am going to create column chart. So for creating column chart you should simply click on column chart. If you click column chart means the chart will be created for you. Before that, please look into this arrow mark. If you click this downward arrow, it will show you various options, whether you want to create a column chart in 2D model, 3D model or cylinder or cone or pyramid. It is your wish. You can use any symbol to represent your data. So now I simply want to use 2D column. Click on it. See, now the chart is created. So in this way you can create column chart, bar chart, pie chart and line chart. So this is the way to create a chart. Now next we should do some few things for the created charts. See, if you click on the created chart, it will display, see my mouse, it will display the newly generated tools specially for working with this chart. See my mouse, chart tools, and it is having the three categories. One is design, another one is layout, and third one is formatting options. So first I am explaining you what is design. So by using this design you can change the chart type. Suppose we created column chart. If you want to change the chart type as by pie chart or bar chart or line chart, you can do it using this icon. Okay. Next, you can save as template. You can save this chart in any other format, and also you can switch the row and column. That is, you can change the horizontal axis and vertical axis. Next, you can select data. So first step, we selected the data and we will plot. So after plotting a chart also, you can change your data selection using this icon. Next, it is displaying you some layouts, predefined layouts. Either you can use this predefined layouts, or you can go to layout menu and you can add the chart elements one by one. In pre-learning note, I explained you all the chart elements or components to you in detail. So here by using this layout menu only, you have to add chart title, axis titles, legend, data tables, data labels, axis, grid lines, plot area. So everything can be formulated using this layout menu. Either you can use this, or in design we are having some predefined chart layout. See, in the first layout is having attached with chart title and the legend, and in second chart title data table is assigned, and in third data table at the bottom and chart title, and here data table bottom of attached to the plot area, and here this is marked with data label, and this is having some grid axis title and chart title. So in this way, if you need the predefined chart layout, you can get it from here, or else you can use layout to add everything. Currently in our chart title is added, and also this legend is also added. Okay, but there is no axis titles marked. So how you will add axis titles to your chart? So you have to go to layout and see here axis titles. So if you simply click on it, it will ask you for primary horizontal axis title, primary vertical axis title. Currently the selection is none, but you need axis title, means you have to give title below axis. See, if you click this, see the change, the axis title is added. Now you can change it to the title. For example, now here it is product name. Yes. Now if you want to add vertical axis title, means you can add rotated title or vertical title or horizontal title. It is better to go with rotated title. See here, if you add rotated title, means the orientation also very pakka for typing the information properly. Now how will you name your y-axis? The y-axis is number of sales. So in this way you can attach the elements to your chart. So where you have to fetch all these information in layout menu. Next, data labels. So if you add data labels, means the chart will looking very nice. See, center, inside end, inside base, outside end. Always the best choice is outside end. See here, all the values are shown. So if you display data label, then you can quickly interpret information. Okay. Next, legend. For legend, you can choose the place wherever you want. So legend at right. So if you click, see here, now it is looking good. In this way you can choose the place for legend at top. You can also insert the legend in top. So but I feel legend at right will give good look to the chart. Okay. Now this grid lines may sometimes cause difficult to interpret information, so I just simply delete it. See, now simply the white area, it will give neat look to our data. In this way you can add elements to your charts. Now adding chart title. See, what is the use of this? Sales details. So world. Okay, so in this way you can give chart title. Now format. See, format is a simple formatting options. You can give fill, you can fill the shape, you can give outline to the shape. See, for example, now I'm selecting this series. If I give outline, means see the change, it is giving some border to the grids. So if you want, you can use. Similarly, shape fill, you can change the colors. See, the colors are changing, can change the colors. In this way you can use shape fill, shape outline, and shape effects is nothing but shadow, glow. You are giving some effects, that's all. So but it will, these all things sometimes will irritate the user. Okay, keep it in mind, it should not affect your data. Okay, we are using chart to clearly interpret some information. So apply formatting options carefully. So these all are again coloring and formatting options. And next one is for text, you can use, for displaying text you can use text fill, text outline, text effects. This is for textual information present in the chart, and this is for shape. Okay, if you used a line in your chart, then the line is considered as a shape here. If you use circle, means circle will be considered as a shape here. In this way you can do formatting options for both shape and text present in your chart. Okay, what is the use of layout? Layout is to add and do some changes in chart elements. Okay, and one more important thing, in design you can choose different coloring and chart layouts. You can change the chart type, and the other important thing is you can move chart. See, Now I created chart in this seat, but I want to move this chart to some other seat. Okay, how can I do means simply click on move chart, and object is currently in seat 1. You want this to be available in seat 2. Okay, wait. Now see, the chart is automatically moved to seat 2. So if you, it will create a new seat and name it with the name which you typed in the dialog box. Okay, so now the chart is moved pakka in the second seat. Next, column chart is over. In the same way, you can also create other different types of chart. Okay, now go to insert, simply click line chart. So you can choose the type here. See, this is what line chart. In the same way what we have done for column chart, here also you can add layout, chart title, axis title, legend, data labels, data table, everything you can do. You can add using this layout menu. Similarly, you can add formatting options, and also you can move chart to another sheet. Okay, for example chart 2, automatically the new sheet will be created and chart will be moved to chart. Okay, next, how will you create by chart? Simply select the data, go to insert, and then simply click pie. See, now pie chart will give you in terms of percentage. So whole will be considered as percentage, and every product is assigned with some unique color, and the percentage alone is given here. Okay, in the same way you can insert bar chart. Okay, bar chart will use horizontal bars. That's a difference. See, if you give this one, automatically it will be changed to bar chart. Now you give bar chart so that you can visualize the information clearly. See, column chart and bar chart are same. The difference is column chart is using vertical bars, and whereas bar chart is using horizontal bar. That's a difference. So in this way you can create charts. Bye.